How to delete TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete TikTok account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside pop-up menu, you can just tap on settings and privacy. And now from here, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on account option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just select deactivate or delete account option. And now here, in this section, you can just tap on delete account permanently option, and after that, on the next page, you can just give your regions and tap on continue. And now here, with that, you can just tap on continue after checking the box, and here you can just tap on continue again. And once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to enter the code and confirm your action by tapping on delete account again. And once you do it, your TikTok account will be deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.